Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate butterfly, full guide. Melt 200 g dark chocolate in a double boiler and temper to 31 degrees C before piping. Keep a clean workspace and have a pastry bag fitted with a small round tip ready. Work quickly, but calmly so chocolate stays glossy. Chill shapes on parchment for 5 to 10 minutes until firm, then handle gently. Warm welcome. Let's refine your piping technique with simple, clear steps and friendly tips. Hold the bag like a pencil and squeeze from the top with steady, consistent pressure while moving your hand smoothly. Begin by tracing the outer wing outline, then add internal veins and decorative dots. If a line wobbles, pause and scrape gently with a toothpick, then continue once chocolate firms a bit. Breathe and enjoy the process. Now we'll talk about finishing touches that make your chocolate butterflies look professional and appetizing. Once shapes are fully set, gently lift each one using a thin offset spatula to avoid snapping delicate wings. Lightly brush edible shimmer or apply colored cocoa butter for subtle highlights and contrast that catch the light. Finally, store butterflies in a cool, dry container with layers separated by parchment to protect details and finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.